Today we are going to discuss these two words with meaning and with sentences. I hope you all guys are doing well. So without wasting any time, let's start the discussion for today's word. For today, the first word is deteriorate, right? The pronunciation is deteriorate. If I talk about the category of the word, then it is verb. Okay, and let me explain you the meaning of this deteriorate word. Deteriorate means something become progressively worse. And when something becomes bad, right, on a certain phase of time, that can be considered as a deteriorate. कोई भी चीज धीरे धीरे बिगड़ती जाती है, that can be considered as a deteriorate. Okay, it means something which becomes bad on a like on a period or for with the passage of time. Once one particular item becomes bad, so that can be considered as a deteriorate word, right? If I talk about the simple meaning for this deteriorate word, then we can consider as a spoil. यानी like कोई भी चीज धीरे धीरे जब बिगड़ती है, जो वो like the situation of that particular thing is being worsen, that particular thing or that meaning we can consider as a deteriorate. यानी कोई भी चीज with the passage of time अगर बिगड़ती है, so that can be considered as a deteriorate, right? Now let's go for the first sentence which I have created for this particular word, and the sentence is: irresponsible behavior of people can deteriorate pandemic situation. See, we all know that this particular pandemic situation is quite bad, but in this situation also, like if people will behave irresponsible, okay, or if they will behave in an irresponsible way, then the situation will be deteriorated. It means agar the people will not follow the rules and regulations which are being set up by the government, the situation will become more bad. Okay, the situation will become worse. The situation will have more bad impact or bad effects. So that is what the probably the meaning of this sentence. So instead of using the situation become will become more bad or the situation will become worse, I have utilized the deteriorate word. The situation will be deteriorated if people will not behave response in responsible way, right? So that is what the meaning of deteriorate word, right? Now let me go to the second sentence which I have created by using this deteriorate word. Over usage of internet can deteriorate creativity of young minds. See, in today's world, we are living in the world of internet. We are living in the world of social media, where so many negative things can influence the mind of younger generation, can influence the minds of children, right? And already they are in a bad position. But if parents will allow children to use internet in like without any restriction, it means if children are going to use or if younger generation is going to use internet in an overdose form, then definitely it can deteriorate creativity of young minds. It means that habit can hamper or can become harmful for the creativity of young minds, or it can spoil the creativity of young minds. So instead of using spoil, I have utilized deteriorate word. It means by using internet without any restriction, that habit of younger generation can make creativity or can produce some negative effects on creativity of young minds. So instead of using place negative effects, right, I have utilized the deteriorate word. So deteriorate means progressively कोई चीज बिगड़ना. So if children are going to use internet for a longer period of time within the day or month or something like that, it will definitely affect creativity in a negative way, or it will definitely it will make worse, it will make creativity more and more bad. Okay, the children's creativity will become more and more worse. So that is what the meaning of deteriorate word. Okay, now let me go to the sentence which I have seen in one of the articles which I have gone through, and in which the deteriorate word has been utilized. The article is something like this, or the headline of this article is something like this, that Sumitra Chatterjee's health condition deteriorates. See, Sumitra Chatterjee is one of the veterans of Bollywood industry. Many few people are aware about his achievement, but his health condition deteriorates given the blood transfusion, right? It means like his health condition is becoming worse. वो progressively बिगड़ रही है, right? That particular his health condition is becoming worse. So instead of using is becoming worse, we can utilize deteriorates word, right? वो progressively उनकी health बिगड़ रही है, right? So that is what the meaning of deteriorates word. Okay, I hope you understand the meaning of this deteriorate word. Now let me go to the second word which I have selected for today's video, and the second word is sporadic. It's a beautiful word. If I talk about the category of this word, then it is adjective. And if I talk about the meaning of this particular word, then in a very simple way, so we can consider it as a random. So let's say, for example, random behavior. So instead of random behavior, we can say this, okay, sporadic behavior, or things happening at irregular interval. जो जो कोई भी चीज रेगुलर नहीं होती है, right? That can be considered as a sporadic. So very simple way, in a very simple way, we can consider either random as a synonym for sporadic, or we can consider as a irregular. So whenever you guys use either random or irregular, you can replace those words with sporadic word, right? Now I hope you understand the meaning. Let me give you the couple of example of sentences in which we can utilize this sporadic word. The first sentence that I have created by using this sporadic word is: sporadic rain can create problems for farmers to perform various farming activities. We all know that the basic of farming activity is rain. Without rain, it will become quite difficult for all farmers to do their respective duties. If rain comes regularly in a proper amount on a proper time, then definitely it will become helpful and it will become conducive for farmers to cultivate more and more amount of crops. But if that is not the case, if rain is irregular rain, means sometimes the rain will be there, sometimes rain will not be there, sometimes rain comes on a wrong period or on a wrong time. So all that random behavior of rain, or instead of saying random rain, instead of saying irregular rain, we can say that okay, sporadic rain. It means the rain which comes on an irregular basis, the rain which is random in nature, can create some problem for farmers to perform various farming activities, and eventually it will impact the amount of crops being cultivated by farmers for the general people, for the general public, right? So that is what the meaning of sporadic word. Sporadic means either irregular or random. Now let me go to the second sentence which I have created for this sporadic word, and the sentence is: sporadic cases of other diseases with corona can deteriorate overall health of nation. See, we all know that in this pandemic situation, we are having cases of corona disease for sure. But with this corona case, there are some random cases are also available of chikungunya disease just because of this winter season. Okay, like it may like in last couple of months there was also couple of showers also, right? And just because of that, some cold and fever and all those kind of cases of all those diseases are also there, but they are random in nature. And this kind of cases of other diseases in the period of corona can deteriorate overall health, can spoil overall health of nation. So that is what the meaning of this particular sentence. It means random cases of other diseases with corona can deteriorate overall health of nation, can place or produce some bad impacts on overall health of nation. So sporadic cases, it means random cases, irregular cases. Sometimes in some region those cases, um, the number of those cases are quite high. In some region those cases are quite low. So in that context the random word has been replaced with the sporadic word for these cases. I hope you understand the meaning of this sporadic word too. Now let me go to the article in which I was able to see uh, the sporadic word. Okay, and the headline for this news article is something like this: Virus after effect. Sporadic cases of lung fibrosis reported among patients in Pune. It means there are random cases of lung fibrosis has been reported. It is not common in all patients in Pune, but some random cases were there in Pune, right? As a after effect of coronavirus, and just because, and those cases are specifically related with some lung problems. So sporadic cases of lung problems reported among patients in Pune, right? Among corona patients in Pune. So they are not like it is not like that okay every corona patient will have lung problems, but there is some random behavior that okay out of 100 patient 10 patient will face 10 patient has faced the problem of lung. So the nature is not quite fixed. Okay, so that cases are not fixed, they are irregular. Sometimes it happens, the lung problems happens, for some patients it is not. And just because of that random cases, so instead of utilizing random cases, the sporadic word has been utilized with that in that particular headlines. Okay, so I hope you understand the meaning of both this word with meaning and with sentences. If you really feel that you have learned something from this particular video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet next weekend with more words, with more meanings, and with more sentences. Till then, be happy and bye bye. And take care yourself and your family members too. Thank you so much.